Need a trustworthy mechanic to keep your ride smooth? Look no further. Welcome to Nexar Auto Repair Katy, where we've been your friendly neighborhood mechanics since 2007. We offer a full range of services from oil changes and brake repairs to air conditioning fixes and alignments. Our AS-certified mechanics are dedicated to providing honest, top-quality work at prices that won't break the bank. Plus, with our 2-year 24K-mile warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Need a lift? We've got you covered with our local shuttle service. And if you're worried about the cost, we offer financing options to keep everything affordable. But don't just take our word for it. Our customers rave about our honesty, fair pricing, and excellent customer service. So why wait? Call us today at 713-782-9111 and experience the Nexar difference. Nexar Auto Repair Katy. Keeping Katy on the road, one car at a time.